So what's a little kitten doing in a motor video? Well, the kitty is bumming around a railway station in Mumbai, and that is where Ashi is getting packed up. Who's Ashi, you say? It's my 2017 DCD Africa twin, and she will be on the train tomorrow to a place called Chandigarh. So there's only one thing to do then. Head over to the Mumbai airport and get on a 3-hour flight to Chandigarh to reunite with Ashi. I like the Chandigarh airport. It's got space. I like the Chandigarh roads too. See, that's why I like it face. The city is reasonably green and it's got dedicated cycling tracks. I mean, there's a greater chance of seeing a snow leopard wearing headphones and maybe breakdancing rather than seeing cycling tracks in our India. This is my economy model for the night in Sector 17, Chandigarh.
So we're here at Hotel Central Park. Okay, so this is the room, very decent for 2,300 rupees.
And there is also a community balcony. That's what I wanted to say.
Chai and butter toast. Yeah. That's a lot of butter, man.
Yep, I love butter.
So I just spoke with my agent at the railway station. The bike will be here 3:34. I'll get it only about 5 o'clock. We're now at 1:15, so I've got a good 3.5 hours to kill. I mean, I would have gone out and gotten some beers, but you got to ride the bike back, so I don't think I'll do that. Let's see, maybe see a bit of Chandigarh.
And you know what? I do like Chandigarh city too. It's well planned. It's got happy kids. It's also got great street food culture. Half the city is cooking while the other half is eating. Great balance there.
As I'm having this coffee and patty, I'm regretting not having the samosa that I saw in that market, man. I can think of that samosa. What am I going to do for the samosa? Anyways, the bike is here. I got a call from the station, so yeah, let's go. Get a bike.
Grooving to Punjabi music with my furry and colorful co-occupants. And here we are at the Chandigarh railway station to receive Ashi. Who's Ashi, you ask? Go back to the beginning of the video.
Okay, here she is. Looks in good shape, at least so it seems.
Happy to have her unbroken.
Clean up the hair and the dust. जी अभी बस डिलीवरी लिया है, सब ठीक ठाक है जी.
There is a certain energy in places of transit. I feel it when I'm at airports and railway stations. It's a mix of excitement and anxiety, of looking forward mixed with a bit of looking back. Anyway, I'm going to ride her straight to a petrol station and top her up so that I can get a long stretch of riding tomorrow morning before needing to refuel.
Okay, so I've reset this meter at 0. We're at the fuel pump right now. We've tanked up. And I'm guessing this trip should be about 1,000 kilometers. Most of it is in the mountains. So yes, let's go.
Back at the hotel, trying out some new mounting options and angles for my old GoPro Hero 5.
I'm just done with dinner. This place has like a thali which they order from outside. But the food wasn't bad. This place is quiet and there's nobody here. So back in early and start the ride tomorrow morning. Plan to be on the road at 5:30. Good night.